Even if you aren't into technology or artificial intelligence, it's time to pay attention to ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT is a big deal and a game changer. ChatGPT is an incredible technological innovation from a company called OpenAI that has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. Powered by the latest artificial intelligence and natural language processing techniques, ChatGPT is a bot that lets you type natural language prompts in a way that it can understand and respond to human language in a remarkably human-like manner. The artificial intelligence bot can not only answer questions, but it can also write essays, summarize documents, write software, and do so much more. ChatGPT is an AI language model that was trained on a vast corpus of text from various sources such as Wikipedia, academic articles, books, and blog posts. This means that ChatGPT is not only capable of engaging in human-like conversations, but can also recall information about the present-day world and draw on historical knowledge. But what truly sets ChatGPT apart from other chatbots is its exceptional ability to learn and adapt to new situations. With each conversation, ChatGPT grows more intelligent, gaining a deeper understanding of the world and the people in it. Its machine learning algorithms allow it to continually improve and evolve, making it one of the most advanced language models in existence. Now it's not omniscient or smart enough to replace all humans yet, but it's creative and evolving rapidly at an unprecedented rate. But is the evolution of ChatGPT bad news for us? Now, before the emergence of conversational AI, artificial intelligence, AI, was largely limited to simple and rule-based tasks. For example, AI was used to automate repetitive tasks in factories, to help route calls in customer service centers, or to identify spam emails. While these early AI systems were effective in their narrow domains, they lacked the flexibility and adaptability needed to engage in more complex and natural interactions with humans. In recent years, however, advances in machine learning and natural language processing have given rise to a new generation of AI systems that are capable of understanding and responding to human language in a more conversational and nuanced way. ChatGPT is one such example of this evolution, bringing the power of AI to bear on the task of engaging in meaningful and natural conversations with humans. ChatGPT is the result of the pioneering work done in the field of natural language processing and machine learning, with Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, playing a central role in its development. GPT is a deep learning architecture that is pre-trained on large amounts of text data and can generate highly accurate predictions based on natural language input. Building on this technology, the team at OpenAI leveraged industry-wide research and expertise to create a conversational AI system that is capable of understanding and responding to human language naturally and engagingly. Through extensive experimentation and collaboration, ChatGPT emerged as a groundbreaking system that has revolutionized the way we interact with AI. Although ChatGPT is an impressive AI language model, its future evolution raises valid concerns about the potential risks associated with the continued development of advanced AI technologies. The incredible capabilities of ChatGPT today suggest that its future versions could be even more advanced and powerful, which can be both exciting and daunting. However, despite these concerns, the potential for ChatGPT to transform our lives in positive ways is enormous. As the technology behind ChatGPT continues to advance, we can expect to see exciting new developments and applications that will revolutionize the way we interact with machines and with each other. In fact, OpenAI has already released a next-generation version of the technology behind ChatGPT, GPT-4. OpenAI claims that GPT-4 can perform well on a range of standardized tests and is less likely to generate unexpected or inappropriate responses. This is a promising development that highlights the potential for continued progress in the responsible development of AI technologies like ChatGPT. The latest version of GPT-4, is truly revolutionary, pushing the boundaries of what AI technology can do. It is not only more creative and collaborative than previous versions, but also has advanced reasoning capabilities that far surpass those of ChatGPT. The possibilities for GPT-4 are endless. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, compose songs, write screenplays, and even learn a user's writing style. The technology is also highly adaptable, capable of reading, analyzing, and generating up to 25,000 words of text and writing code in all major programming languages. Of course, like any technology, there are limitations to GPT-4, but its potential is truly remarkable. People are already harnessing its power to create and do once unimaginable things. As impressive as technology can be, it also has its drawbacks, and unfortunately, the advancements of ChatGPT come with some inevitable downsides. While it has the potential to revolutionize how we communicate with machines and each other, there are concerns about its possible negative effects on various aspects of human life. One major concern is the impact of ChatGPT on the job market. The adoption of this technology may result in job displacement in certain industries, as automated processes could replace human employees. Furthermore, workers may need to develop new skills to adapt to these technological changes. The rise of ChatGPT may also exacerbate social isolation and reduce human-to-human interactions, which are crucial for our social and emotional well-being. Despite the concerns surrounding ChatGPT, it is important to recognize that it also presents significant opportunities for improving our lives. As with any new technology, there are both benefits and drawbacks. However, it is crucial to approach the development and use of ChatGPT with responsibility and transparency. To fully realize the potential benefits of ChatGPT, we must carefully consider the potential risks and take steps to mitigate them through thoughtful design and implementation. It is essential to ensure that ChatGPT is developed and used in ways that are beneficial to everyone, and not just a select few. Looking ahead, the potential of ChatGPT to transform various areas of human life is enormous. From improving education to enhancing the economy and healthcare, ChatGPT has the potential to make significant positive changes. By working together to create a brighter and more inclusive future through the responsible and transparent development and use of ChatGPT, we can realize these possibilities and truly harness the power of this remarkable technology.